Okay, so I thought I'd just button this up a little bit and actually put in the actual equation for the parabola that pretty much matches along the curvature of the Earth. So this is the equation of the circle right here, and here's the radius. This is the circle of the Earth, and once again here's the equation for the line that's tangent to the circle. We'll start with an equation for a parabola, all right? A parabolic equation, which is, this is an example of one right here. That's x squared equals y is an example of a parabola. We zoom in. Since we're so far zoomed out, this is a really steep curve and it's hard to recognize it, but we zoom in here. We can see that it's a parabola. The green line is our 1 mile mark here. The purple is a parabola. It's a parabolic equation. See? We're way zoomed out. This is a 1,000-inch mark here. We're doing all this in inches, of course. Dealing with the Earth in inches. All right, so here's a parabola, a very typical parabola. X squared equals y. So first of all, we want to flip it around. So we have to have it times -1. It flips it around the opposite way. And we want to move it up to the location where this point will intersect the Earth. So what we have to do here is say plus the radius. Okay, so now we're going to have to do with this x here. It's times 8. It's an 8-inch drop. Every measurement is 8 inches times the thing that we're going to calculate. And it's x over, and this is going to make our parabola really wide, but it's for every mile it is, for every mile unit it drops down 8 inches times that thing squared. So in other words, we have to put in the number, it's x over the number of inches, because for this thing in the parentheses to be 1, the number of inches in a mile. So we take this, we go like that, and yeah, that's gonna be hit. Check it out. See how it just hugs along that curvature of the Earth? Isn't that fascinating? So at this point right here, that's where it's going to really, it starts to, if you zoom in, you'd be fascinated by the first 50 miles. It matches up just right on target. But after a while, it starts to slowly bend away. This is the curve for the 8-inch per mile squared rule. This is the curvature of the Earth, and that's how closely it matches up. Pretty amazing. But it is not spot on, 100% scientifically accurate. Probably about right here is where it starts to diverge a little bit. Anyway, I just thought I'd put that in there to just button this up, and that's it.